Welcome to my ultimate home on wheels.
What if I told you that this incredible DIY tiny home on wheels could completely change the way people think about traveling, camping, and even full-time living? At first glance, it looks like a stylish, oversized RV, but once you take a closer look, you'll realize this concept is packed with smart ideas that make it feel more like a luxury home than a traditional camper. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's hiding inside. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold exterior. Unlike ordinary RVs, this large DIY concept combines modern architecture with practical design. The clean lines, premium materials, and spacious layout give it a unique personality that instantly stands out wherever it goes. It has the charm of a custom-built cabin while still offering the freedom of a home on wheels. As you imagine stepping inside, the real magic begins. Every inch of space has been carefully designed to maximize comfort without feeling cramped. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and welcoming atmosphere. Instead of the tight spaces found in many campers, this concept feels surprisingly spacious, making long trips far more enjoyable. The living area is where this DIY creation truly shines. Comfortable seating, clever storage compartments, and a cozy entertainment setup make it the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure. Whether you're parked beside a peaceful lake, deep in the mountains, or near a beautiful beach, this space quickly transforms into your own private retreat. Moving toward the kitchen, you'll notice another impressive feature. Despite being part of a mobile home, it includes everything needed for daily living. There's plenty of countertop space, modern appliances, smart cabinets, and enough storage for extended road trips. Preparing meals while enjoying incredible outdoor views is something many travelers only dream about. The bedroom continues the theme of comfort and practicality. Instead of sacrificing sleeping space, this large concept provides a peaceful area with a full-size bed, overhead storage, and thoughtful lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. Imagine waking up every morning with a different view right outside your window. That's the beauty of living on the road. Of course, no luxury tiny home would be complete without a functional bathroom. This concept includes a stylish shower, modern sink, toilet, and smart storage solutions that make daily routines easy and convenient. It's another reminder that you don't have to give up comfort simply because you're traveling. One of the biggest highlights is the incredible storage capacity. From hidden compartments beneath the furniture to overhead cabinets and exterior cargo areas, there's room for camping gear, bikes, tools, clothing, and everything needed for long adventures. Smart organization makes this RV feel much larger than its actual footprint. Because this is a DIY concept, the possibilities are almost endless. Builders can customize the layout, choose eco-friendly materials, install solar panels, add larger battery systems, or even create an off-grid setup capable of staying away from campgrounds for days. That flexibility is what makes DIY tiny homes so exciting. They can be built around your own lifestyle. Imagine taking this home across the country, exploring national parks, discovering hidden mountain roads, or simply escaping busy city life whenever you want. Instead of booking hotels or worrying about accommodations, your entire home travels with you. That's a level of freedom many people are beginning to appreciate more than ever. While this is still a concept, it offers an exciting glimpse into what the future of mobile living could become. With creative engineering, thoughtful design, and modern technology working together, homes like this may soon become the perfect solution for travelers, digital nomads, retirees, and adventure seekers looking for something truly different. So what do you think? Would you live full-time in this amazing DIY tiny home on wheels, or would you use it for unforgettable weekend adventures? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, because we'd love to hear your opinion. And if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more incredible RVs, camper concepts, and innovative tiny homes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.